Keep your yard and home free from unwanted dogs with this natural, plant-based dog repellent. It creates a scent dogs avoid, setting clear boundaries to protect your lawn, garden, and indoor spaces from marking and damage. Covering up to 120 square ft. It works on grass, flower beds, carpets, and couches. Designed for busy homeowners, it lasts 1 to 2 months, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Safe around kids and pets when used as directed, this dog deterrent offers hassle-free protection that respects your family's comfort. Worth a look if you want to stop the chaos and keep your space pristine.